Hey guys, so I did want to make a quick video for you guys. It is Friday and I'm not here obviously, so please make sure you just listen to what I quickly say in this video description so you know what we're going to do. For Friday, you should have your writing done for the Vincent van Gogh Starry Night. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to your Friday folder. So we've got a couple of items in here. You'll see on your page that it says bell ringer number 8. So you have that. You're also going to see the archetype project instructions. That's what you're going to start today if you didn't start it on your block day. Video lesson today. That's why you're here. And then the submission link for the Starry Night. So in today's folder, we have bell ringer. Just complete that. Keep that in your other bell ringers, please. But then for the Starry Night written assignment, okay, this is what we've been working on since Monday. So I did want to overview with you guys really quickly. Online submission, okay? So your final 2 paragraphs, just 2 paragraphs, sorry, 1 intro and then 1 body paragraph, okay? You are going to submit your typed 2 paragraphs here, all right? Everything else you've done. So in person, you have another step. You're not done, okay? Your drafted 2 paragraphs, your completed 3-column chart of your detail to symbol, and then your 6 response questions, comprehensive response questions to the reading, okay? That is what you're going to turn into the box. So if you look in the back of my class, right there, there are, there. Okay, that is where you're going to turn in per your class period. So make sure you have all of those things submitted by Friday during class period. Okay, this is not due at the end of the day. This is due during class. So moving on. Okay, so after that, you then have instructions for the project that you're going to also work on Monday, but is due Monday. It does not take that long. So that's why we're going to start on it here. Okay, the instructions. Look at your desk number that you're sitting at, okay? Then look at the archetypes on page 3 of the archetype project instructions and rubric. So on that, let me pull it up actually. On that assignment, it will show you what you need to do. Okay, so here, this is the archetype project. It's telling you, on the front, do this, on the back, do this. It's very, very broad instructions, I know, but you do have your grading rubric here. Representation, quotation, bubble maps, neatness, and creativity. Here, though, page 3. Okay, so let's say you're in seat 7. Your archetype is darkness or moon. Okay, so when you start looking for ideas to place for negative examples of the darkness or moon or positive examples for darkness or moon, that's what you're going to focus on. Okay, if you need to, put in the word archetype behind the word darkness. So Google darkness archetype, moon archetype. So you don't just get like, oh, pretty pictures of the moon, right? Okay, try to be specific with your Google search. After that, though, so I did want to say if you are seat 23, number 3 or group 3, that does not mean you look at number 3 here. That means legitimately the number 3 is your archetype. So there's a lot of symbolic meaning behind numbers. So the number 3 is the one that you are going to break apart. And I do suggest for number 3 specifically typing in archetype of number 3. Okay, so there's that. All right. So returning back to here, we have, okay, you have 1 through 5. You need to do this on your own sheet of paper. So first you're going to work on answering 1 through 5 in detail about your assigned archetype. Write complete sentences, be descriptive, and cite your quote source. Once you have completed this task, begin working on the bubble map example provided to you in the packet. Where is it? Bubble map. Okay, that's what this is. All right. There also is an example, a teacher example. So I'll show that to you in a second. Here, you are to prove how you mapped out the meaning of your archetype, what it represents in the positive and negative ideas. 5, overview and study the teacher sample for you to understand what you are doing. After your writing has been completed and drafted out, begin organizing your blank page computer paper, which I will have for you, provided to you in class, and that is how you're going to start to put it together. So do the writing portion first, okay? It's going to make so much more sense in just a second when I show you the teacher sample. Right here. Okay, so let's zoom in. All right, this is the bubble map. Okay, you have positive description of what a window is, and you have the 3 different positive points that you have found with a window. So with the window, positive is opportunity, clarity, vision. All good symbolism that's positive from a window. But the next one, there's negative, okay? So isolation, captivity, barred, right? So that's I know it's a little blurry, but hopefully you can see that. But that's what you're going with this, okay? That's what the bubble map is intended for. So when you are here, okay, universal idea, universal idea, universal idea. Your archetype, let's say, is darkness or the moon, all right? You're going to put that here. You're going to show how it's like you're brainstorming, okay? You're literally mapping out the little trickles of your brain that allowed you to get to this theme here. A universal idea is a symbolic theme, all right? So just like how in the picture, all right, it's demonstrating, well, a window, you can look through it. You can open a window, right? And it leads to opportunity. Same process that we did with the 3 columns with the George Washington and with the Starry Night, where you have a detail, you explain what it kind of like makes you think of, why that's important, and then you turn it into a theme. So a window can be a theme of opportunity, okay? Opportunity for growth, whatever, right? So that is the bubble map. But you got to do all this writing portion first. Okay, so make sure that each bubble has 3 examples that led you to this theme. So I know what you're talking about, okay? But then you have, of course, just your standard computer paper. Like I said, I will have some of this for you guys in class. Please just take one. But I have colored pencils and crayons for you guys to use. But you're going to map out your archetype like this, okay? So you see there are the positive archetypes here, okay, from your main one. And then you have negative down here. You explain why it's positive, explain why it's negative, give a quote. Say who the quote was from, please. Okay, make sure your name's on it, but you're also going to draw a picture of whatever your archetype is. So that's what we're doing here. And I will give brownie points to whoever wants to present. But that is all in Friday's folder. So that's what we're going to be working on for Friday. It is not homework. Okay, so please don't think you need to do it for homework. I think that's it. Yeah, Monday we'll finish it in class, and you'll turn it in Monday as well. So there's going to be, you just put it in the box. You're not doing an online submission for this. I think that's it. Yeah. So message me on Schoology if you guys have any questions. I will say I will get a quicker response time if you email me, because that is more direct for me than my Schoology notifications. I don't know how to figure that out yet, but yeah, just email me if you're stuck on something, and I'll try my best to get to you on time. That's it for today, for Friday. So make sure you turn in your Starry Night, start on the archetype project, and be nice, be kind, be lovely as you are. Bye.